this life, there's only one winner. You better aim straight so you can hit the center. In it to win it with a team of 4 Ninja Turtles that you gotta adore.